In this problem, we're gonna have two functions, f and g, continuous on AB. We also gonna assume that f is less than g on this interval. The question is the integral of e to minus x f of x between a and b less than the integral of e to minus x g of x between a and b on this interval a and b? So the question is, so we know that if we are given two functions, f and g, let's make them look like this, okay? So this is our f, okay? This is our g, okay? So the integral of f is this one here, okay? And the integral of g is this one. So we see that if f is less than g, okay, so f of x less than g of x for all x in a and b, okay, so we have the integral of f of x d of x less than g of x d of x, okay. So we can say that integration conserves or doesn't change the order. Okay, now we can see that this one is e to minus x. Is the key here is that e to minus x is always positive. It's never zero. It's always bigger than zero for all x in AB, no matter which a and b can be. Okay, so here we can see that we don't change the order when we multiply by e to minus x. So here we have this one because we have this condition, okay? So we have f of x less than g of x for each x in AB, okay? So once we multiply, we don't change the order, okay? And therefore we have if we integrate, nothing is gonna happen. So let's add dx. So it's gonna stay the same, okay? So the multiplication by e to minus x is not gonna change the integral, okay? Therefore, nothing is gonna change for this case, okay? So if we have f of x is less than g of x, then we have e to minus x, f of x less than e to minus x, g of x. Let's add dx and integrate, okay? So nothing is gonna change. We can see it graphically, okay? So even for, it doesn't matter if the functions are positive or negative. So the e minus x is not gonna change the order, and therefore the integral, the integration is going to be conserved, and therefore the less than or equal is not going to change. And this answers our question. It's not changing. We're going to see that in some other cases the integral will definitely change. Thank you.